This is an 8-year-old laptop. It's pretty beat up, but it still works. It's time to give it a performance boost and a well-deserved cleanup. Start by removing the battery. Take all the screws out from the bottom chassis, and remove the optical drive, hard drive, and RAM. While you may consider this laptop pretty outdated, you might be surprised that if we give it some love, it can still handle most tasks like browsing the web, watching movies, and some light gaming. We will upgrade the RAM, the storage with a new SSD, change the thermal paste, and also upgrading it to Windows 10. Also remove the Wi-Fi card and antennas. We had issues with one of the screws holding the Wi-Fi card, and we had to drill it out. Remove the keyboard to have access to the ribbons for the touchpad and display. Because of dust and some spilled liquids, the keyboard has only half of the keys working, and we are going to replace it. Use a plastic prying tool or card to open the chassis. Remove the top part of the chassis. Further, remove the fan connectors, power supply pass-through cable, and other ribbons that are connected to the motherboard. Do not use metal tweezers when removing the ribbons. Use a plastic card or something not electrically conductive. Remove the remaining motherboard screws. Once you completely remove the motherboard, flip it and start removing the cooling system. Clean the old thermal compound and use a dust brush to clean the fan. Apply a new thermal paste and put all the parts back together. When screwing back the cooling system, do not over-tighten it. The CPU and GPU do not have an IHS and can crack and break. Installing the new keyboard is an easy job. Just connect the new keyboard ribbon to the motherboard. Hopefully you enjoyed our video. Make sure to subscribe and like our video for more.